Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of top-notch products to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're excited to present to you what we firmly believe is the best bullet journal on the market. If you're a lover of organization, creativity, and productivity, this journal is a staple that you'll want to have in your arsenal. As we start our journey, let's talk about the overall aesthetic and functionality of this journal. When you first lay eyes on it, you'll notice the clean, minimalist design that makes it not only visually appealing but also perfectly suited for personalization. The cover is both sturdy and sleek, providing a protective barrier for all your ideas and plans, making it perfect for both everyday use and special projects. Flipping open the journal, the first thing that greets you is the delightful feel of high-quality pages. The dot grid layout is a game-changer, allowing for versatility in your creations. Whether you're jotting down daily tasks, sketching, organizing your thoughts, or enhancing your artistic side with drawing and doodling, the possibilities are truly endless. The dots are subtly printed, ensuring they guide your writing and artwork without distracting from your final product. One of the standout features of this journal is its adaptability to various planning styles. It caters to hardcore bullet journal enthusiasts, as well as those who prefer a more casual approach to journaling. You might be seeking a highly structured setup or a more freestyle ambiance. This journal offers the freedom to develop your individual style, all within its pages. Furthermore, the dots serve another purpose, offering you the freedom to create lists, tables, graphs, or even trackers without worrying about lines interfering with your design. You'll find that being able to put pen to paper without restrictions enhances your creativity while maintaining your organizational goals. This is the kind of creative outlet that can turn chaotic thoughts into clear plans. Now, let's discuss usability. The journal is thoughtfully designed to lay flat when open, allowing for easy writing and drawing experiences. No more wrestling with pages that refuse to cooperate. You'll appreciate the seamless flow from one page to the next, which naturally encourages you to keep creating and organizing your life. Durability is a non-negotiable aspect of any journal, and this one excels in that department, too. The binding is robust, ensuring that as you flip through the pages, they won't start to fall apart after a few weeks of use. This is important for anyone who wants their bullet journal to last through the seasons and be a reliable companion for long-term projects. Another noteworthy aspect is the size of the journal. It strikes a perfect balance, being compact enough to carry in your bag while still providing ample space to express your thoughts and ideas. Whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or at work, this journal is designed to be convenient and accessible, making it an invaluable tool for on-the-go brainstorming and planning. As you dive deeper into the world of journaling, you'll discover the therapeutic and productive benefits it has to offer. It's not just about organizing your tasks, it's about fostering a mindset of creativity and intentionality. Engaging with your thoughts on paper encourages reflection, sets clear goals, and can serve as a powerful stress reliever. In conclusion, the best bullet journal is not just a stationery item. It's a gateway to enhancing your daily life, productivity, and creativity. From its elegant design to its user-friendly features, it beckons you to embark on a beautifully organized journey. Whether you're a seasoned bullet journaling expert or just dipping your toes into the world of organized creativity, this journal awaits. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If this review sparked your interest in the best bullet journal, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and product critiques. Until next time, happy journaling.